Better late than never.
Meaning, it's better to do something late than not do it at all. Examples: I finally returned your book. Better late than never. He started learning English at 50. Better late than never. We arrived after the movie started, but better late than never. She apologized a week later, but better late than never. I sent the birthday card a day late. Better late than never. A piece of cake. Meaning, something that is very easy to do. Examples: the exam was a piece of cake. Cooking this dish is a piece of cake. Fixing the computer was a piece of cake for him. The hike was a piece of cake compared to last time. Learning this song is a piece of cake. In charge of something or someone. Meaning, responsible for something or someone. Examples: she is in charge of the marketing team. Who is in charge of organizing the event? I'm in charge of making the presentation. He is in charge of the company while the boss is away. They put me in charge of welcoming the new employees. Search me. Meaning, I don't know, I have no idea. Examples: where did my phone go? Search me. Why is the shop closed? Search me. Who took my pen? Search me. When is the meeting? Search me. Why is she so angry? Search me. A stone's throw. Meaning, a very short distance. Examples: the beach is just a stone's throw away from our hotel. Her house is a stone's throw from the park. The cafe is only a stone's throw from here. My office is a stone's throw from the subway station. We stayed at a hotel a stone's throw away from the city center. Bright and early. Meaning, very early in the morning. Examples: we have to leave bright and early to avoid traffic. She always wakes up bright and early to go jogging. I'll be at your house bright and early tomorrow. They arrived bright and early to get the best seats. The workers started bright and early to finish the job on time. Feel blue. Meaning to feel sad or depressed. Examples: I feel blue whenever it rains. She's been feeling blue since her dog ran away. Don't feel blue, things will get better soon. He felt blue after losing the game. Sometimes I just feel blue for no reason.